You get the sandstorm?
So the sandstorm is approaching us.
The other car coming, I have food for you. Look at my finger. Oh, it works.
Oh my god, he understands you.
I'm a camel. Hello, friend. Hello. I was joking. I don't have any food, bro. I'm sorry. I was lying. My finger.
Oh yes, yes. I'm taking a video. Yeah.
I'm at the edge of the world. This is the edge of the world. Careful, 1, 2, 3. This is the edge of the world. So the sandstorm is approaching us, and cloudy and dusty, that's all. Approaching towards us. So, sandstorm has approached us, so you can't really see much on the background because it's all sand dust. But yeah, it's pretty awesome to be here and explore the edge of the world. And it's interesting because like on the ground there's like rocks of fossil, and apparently it used to be a sea in this up to this level. So there are fossils in the ground, but right now, as you can see, it's just desert.